Welcome to my open house. This Saturday, today, starting in just a couple of minutes, from 11 to 1, I will be at 6321 Balboa Lane in Apollo Beach. This is the second bathroom, and it's huge. Let's take a look at the rest of the house. You have a huge open floor plan here, plantation shutters where they matter the most, hurricane impact windows and doors. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home that has been completely updated and remodeled. Did it take on water? It did. Helene and Milton had their way with this home, but that's okay because now you can too. Here's your second bedroom. Huge open floor kitchen plan. Here's your third bedroom, complete with a big ass fan. We're gonna get to that kitchen in just a second, but I'm gonna come over here and show you the garage and the primary suite so that you can decide where you want to put your bed. So here you have your garage. It is insulated, new power supply, hot water heater raised, washer dryer furnace. Here is your primary bedroom. This is where the magic happens. And if you don't think that's important, step into the shower with me. Let's have a Rainmaker episode of What Can We Do in Here? Nice. A little bit of a walk-in closet, ready for your personal final touch. Big ass fan. Nice doors. Not too simple. Not too simple. Here you have your coffee station or your bourbon station like the previous buyer that came through. All brand new appliances. Huge Florida room. Great for entertaining. Bring the family here. And let's walk out and see what living in Apollo Beach can do for you. Here we have no pool maintenance, no pool issues. All the foxtail palms your heart can handle, and a boat dock with 2 lifts. One is a 12,000-pound boat lift, and one is a 5,000 to 6,000-pound lift where you can pull your jet skis, your canoes, your little boats out of the water. But you don't really have to have a boat to live here. You can rent that out for $900 a month. A little fish cleaning station. You watch your sunrise and your sunsets right here. No HOA, no CDD. $719,000 with 22,000